Well, it's race day, and we're heading to the Winterport Dragway in Maine. The racers, they decided that the first annual Pine Tree Jamboree would not be this year, but they are going to push it back to 2021. However, the organizers and some of the racers that are close to the Tornado Car Club are gathering to race informally. So this is sort of an exhibition. So as the racers come in, they're towing their cars on flatbed trailers. Some people are driving them up from the locations. Last minute stops to O'Reilly Auto Parts to get last minute supplies, rags, cleaning materials, oil, whatever items the drivers might need, the race teams might need to compete. It's Sunday, it's a beautiful day, it rained all weekend, and we'll see where this goes.
What's up, Chucky?
Oh, you're all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's race day.
Ready to race?
So what's the one thing you worry about when you start the car?
Nothing.
You know how these things start. I wait to buy one $4 credit card. Love it and
I
celebrate.
think we've gone through all the problems.
And so on.
Well, I probably just jinxed myself, so I'm screwed.
It's a race.